good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Coconut Way. At this is the time where we go live once a month dito sa ating Facebook page kay Coconut VA to showcase our top talents when it comes to our special to a specific niche, no? And for them to be able to share their experiences sa inyo lahat para malaman niyo na kung ano ang paghahandaan nyo kung gusto yung maging isang blank. So previously, we talked about social media management, executive assistants, we talked about sales VA. For today, guys, we're gonna talk about lead generation specialist or appointment setter. So dito, I see sa comment sections, maraming gusto maging isang lead generation specialist. Am I right? Comment right if I am right. Comment right if I am right. So, you guys, sorry, you guys have to actually wait, no, until the end kasi mamimigay tayo ng free course pagdating sa lead generation. Ayan. Who's excited for the free course sa lead generation? Ilalagay natin yan mamaya sa ating comments. And pag nanonood kayo ngayon from YouTube, guys, I already linked it in the description box. Maraming salamat. Once again, I'm Jam. I am the sourcing and committee manager of Coconut VA. I invited two of our special guests for today. Mga coconuts din sila, mga kabuko. Kabuko! And they're also lead generation specialists. Okay, dito sa coconut, one is external, one is internal. Okay, one actually works with me as a sourcing manager too. So let us all welcome Jen and Carmi. Say hello kay Jen and Carmi sa comment section. Ayan. Hello!
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Sige, isa-isa tayo. Isa-isa tayo, mga mi. Pero before anything else, thank you so much, Jen and Carmi, for saying yes to this.
Of course.
Oo,
Of
alam
course.
nating nakaano tayo. By the way, guys, Happy Thanksgiving! 'Di ba? Happy Thanksgiving
Yeah.
and happy Black Friday sale, 'di ba? Pang
Mm.
malakasan.
Yes, it
Actually,
is.
some of us here naka-leave talaga ngayong panahon na 'to. Pero dahil gusto namin mag-add value sa inyo, inilaban namin ang live stream na ito, no? So say hello to Jen and Carmi in the comment section. Say, hi, Jen and Carmi. Ilagay natin yan dyan. Hi,
Well,
Jen and Carmi. Good evening. Ayan. So let's introduce each other muna. Let's start with Jen. Tell me who you are. Of course, you're a lead generation specialist. For how long? And how long ka na dito sa Coconut?
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Jen from Laguna, and I've been in Coconut VA for 3 years now, and as a lead generation specialist and executive assistant for US-based client based in Utah.
O, di ba? Yuta, iba. May payuta
Mm.
si Mima. Okay. Thank you, Jen. Of course, let's go for Carmi.
hey guys, happy Friday. So my name is Carmi. You guys can call me Carms. And I've been a virtual assistant or a lead generation specialist for more than 3 years, actually. Same with Jen. And yeah, I am the internal.
Taray.
I'm one of the internal team. And boss ko yan si si Jam.
Hoy, hindi ako boss. Bas-bas dito, bakla. Team member, teammate, ganon.
Yes.
Ayan. We work together. True. Siya yung mga tagaharap ng mga talent sa kagaya nyo. Ayan,
Ako
kaya
yung
pag
post ganyan, diba?
oo, pagka kayo ay minessage sa Steve Stratton sa sa LinkedIn, you know the drill, Steve Stratton, 'di ba? Perfect. And once again, happy Thanksgiving, mga mi. Kamusta ang mga turkey natin? Ganon. Walang turkey sa bahay. Ano lang, andoks manok. Ganon. Nag-andoks manok tayo. Chooks to go. Ganon. Chooks to go lang. Anyway, let's start. Let's start interviewing these ladies. Okay? Para sa mga gustong matuto kung paano maging isang lead generation specialist. Of course, ang unang kailangan yung malaman, no? Ay ano ba ang job description ng isang lead generation specialist? Let's start with Jen.
Okay. Sa amin, the word itself, lead generating leads where you will verify or evaluate the potential clients for sales opportunities. Mostly parang collecting lang their names, business, company addresses, contact details at saka yung mga email and phone numbers. More on talagang generate lang talaga ng leads.
Generating leads. Okay, from the
Mm-hmm.
term itself,
Yes.
ikaw ay magge-generate ng leads for your client, no? At depende yan kung ano industry or business ng clients at depende yan kung sino ang hinahanap ni clients. Ayan,
Correct.
okay. Perfect. A very, very simple explanation. How about for you, Carmi? Ano, what would you like to add?
For me, siguro the definition of a lead generation specialist is it has, I mean, someone who has a vital role talaga in continuously, providing qualified prospects to the sales pipeline. So partner kami ng sales. So we are
Yes.
responsible with prospecting, outreach or campaigns, data management as well, and collaboration to the sales team or marketing team. Or if startup talaga yung business ni client, so direct do sa client. So collaboration. Yeah.
Usually nga pag startup, ikaw na rin ang sales team. Ganun siya. Ikaw na ang lead gen,
Correct.
ikaw na ang taga appointment set, ikaw na ang taga call. Ikaw,
Correct.
True.
ikaw na ikaw yung ikaw na yung taga, what you call this? Client facing. Client success, ikaw
Totoo.
na rin yun.
Totoo.
Oo.
All around
Kahit
yun.
yes, pagka-startup, pero pagka malaking kumpanya na, you are your own department talaga. Like, lead gen is lead gen, like generating leads. Ganon. Extracting, mga ganyan mga bagay, no? Speaking of lead generation, now that you're able to define it, let's talk about ano ba ang mga basic skills na dapat meron ka bilang isang lead generation specialist. Kailangan natin malaman ito eh. And let us start with Carmi. Let's do like top three. Top three skills na dapat meron ka. And I want everyone to write this down. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, ano ba ang
For
para
my
sa'yo, top
Siguro
skills?
top three for me is number one talaga. This is very important. Communication skills. Kasi most of the time, you'll be using your client's accounts. So you'll be the one to communicate talaga or do the outreach to potential leads. So communication skills is like number one for me because you have to emulate like how your client is communicating with others, you know um, they how they convince then like oh yeah how to close deals then with the prospects. So communication skills is very important. Number two, as a lead gen, you have to have that magaling kang mag-research. So, of course, you have to understand first kung ano yung kailangan for the campaign, for the outreach. And then from there, you do the research. And then, number three would be sales skills or creativity. Kasi for me, based from my experience, you have to be creative in how to catch them. Your prospect prospectingly like your
Prospects.
yeah your prospects. Yeah, you have to catch them for like yung first outreach mo dapat ma-catch mo na yung attention nila kasi from there it's very important. So yeah, that's my three: communication, research, and sales and creativity. skills.
Correct. So I'm writing down, guys, no? Kung ang ating host ay nag-write down, dapat kayo din. Kakaloka. Para sa inyo to. Ayan. So, com skills, research and sales and creativity. Grabe yung term na emulate. I like it. I like it for you. Ayan. Emulate. Gusto ko yan eh. Oo. So, yes, com skills, not just written but verbal, especially if you're handling startup clients or startup businesses. Again, you are gonna make calls pa rin pagka ganun kasi nga you are the whole sales team. Ganun na siya.
Yes,
So you make
actually.
calls, and you have to be able to speak their language, and there are other clients na parang very specific with what kind of accent ang kailangan. May mga ganun. May mga
Right,
bilingual
right.
iba-iba, no? Research is the very important talaga na skill dito kasi totoo, patience. There are clients na very very particular. I need this type of person from this specific location that can do this, that, and that with this specific degree. Ay, talagang todo research ka talaga dyan, T. Kailangan, at saka kailangan alam mo sa mo sila hanapin, no? And yes, being creative when it comes to reaching out to them. Kasi, pag gagawa ka lang ng like the usual approach, ay deadmahin ka. Pero if you're creative if you are creative and you know them very well and you know how to attract them and get their attention, then madami kang makukuhang mga conversions, 'di ba? So yun, in top 3 na sinabi ni Carmi. How about you, Jen? What's your top 3? Ayan.
Top three, in addition for CARM, siguro understand the sales process. Kailangan knowledgeable ka of what products you are marketing or know your target markets kasi dun papasok yung sales since biggest aspect of generating lead is that you know what business you are trying to connect because after lead generation, nandun na yung communication with the sales team to reach out to them to offer your product. So, napaka-importante talaga siya na na alam mo yung binibenta mo.
Correct. Yes.
Two, siguro is yung parang knowledge in CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce. Kasi dun yung sa sales collaboration team dun nagpa-process and will take actions kasi nandun yung magre-reach out through emails, calls, ganyan. So dun pa lang sa mga list of prospects mo na na-collect, dapat na-filtered out mo siya or na-verify mo na lahat. So dun papasok si prospecting and research. And then, third siguro is yung technical skills. Kailangan alam mo yung gamit ng spreadsheets. Although madali lang naman kasi more on input lang ka ng mga datas, ganyan. So, much better na may mga technical skills ka din in having the lead generation as your niche.
Correct. So again, of course, pinaka-importante dito the sales process, sabi nga ni Jen, including the product knowledge. How do you sell your business or your product kung hindi ka confident sa product knowledge mo and your target market, again, as mentioned earlier, that kilala mo ng bonggang-bongga, yung target market mo, your research about them, like what are their aspirations, what are their tawag dito, their worries or their yung mga nila, yung mga tawag dito, mga worries nila, yung mga ayaw nila mangyari sa business nila, stuff like
Yes, mga
that. So you
concerns.
know how to actually approach them. Ayan,
Yes.
alam mo kung ano yung magti-trigger at magka-call ng attention sa kanila, di ba? Of course, tools, sabi nga nila, madaming tools, and later on we'll talk about tools too, like CRMs, kasi ito talaga yung mga automated stuff para makapag-generate ka ng leads at makapag-send ka ng email blast, ito yung mga email automations, yung may mga email journey, ayan, yan, may mga dyan. Tapos yung mga follow-ups nandun na rin, no? Tapos again, other tools, tech skills, other tools such as Sheets, mga ganon, Google Sheets, ganon. May gumagamit pa ba, sorry, I'm just curious, may gumagamit na ba ng Microsoft Excel ganon, or Microsoft Office stuff? Or lahat
Ako,
cloud-based?
spreadsheet na. Oo, ganon.
Cloud-based na lahat. Cloud-based na lahat
Mm-mm.
para share, di ba?
It's
Perfect,
easier
perfect.
kasi to send
Correct.
to
Correct.
share.
Oo. Ayan, perfect. So, thank you so much for your input. Sana ay marami kayong, alam mo yon, nakuha dito. Comment below kung anong sa tingin mo ang mga gusto nyong o kailangan nyo pang skills na aralin. Ayan, comment there. Sana you took notes, no? At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ate. Charing! Charing
Thank
lang!
you. Thank you so much.
Let's talk about... No, 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 no. Let's talk about um tools, no? Kanina we talked about skills, and briefly kanina si Jen talked about the tools na gagamitin, no, para matuto kung paano maging VA. Ay, ano ba sabi ko, te? Para ma-achieve natin ang pagiging isang successful na lead generation specialist. So, ano ba ang mga tools na kailangan nilang gamitin? Like top 2 or 3? Let's start with Jen naman ngayon.
Top two, siguro Google search is the key. Number one talaga siya. And then since professional yung doing the business, LinkedIn sales navigation is the top priority in terms of lead generation. And also yung mga social platforms like Instagram and Facebook.
Yes. Okay, so sinabi na ni ano ha, ni Jen, guys, I need you to take notes. Mga Google search, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is very important. Actually, a lot of clients now talaga ang labanan ay LinkedIn. Ayan, they
Mhm.
both use Carmi also. She uses Sales Navigator to source. Ayan. Tapos social media platforms because there are ways to actually search for leads and connect to leads and through different social media platforms such as madami yan LinkedIn, madami yan sa X or dating Twitter, Facebook at saka sa Instagram. Ayan mga yan. Actually ngayon, ang rising ay Threads. Ang daming mga
Oo.
entrepreneurs dyan. Oo. Threads is like Twitter but under Meta. Magkakasama yan si
Mhm.
Facebook, si
Right.
Instagram, and si Threads. Ayan. So, Threads ang dapat natin pag-aralan, mga mi. Ayan. All right. Thank you, Jen. How about you, Carmi? May idadagdag natin dito?
Um, for me, like CRM softwares, syempre, HubSpot, like what Jen said, spreadsheet, Google Sheet, siguro anything na ginagamit din ng sales kasi doon din tayo nag input 'di ba, ng details. Also for email automations like Mailchimp, Yam, Instantly, Sales Navigator, very important. It's my favorite. For prospecting naman like Apollo, Visa, Galaxy, Signal if you want to look for investors na nagamit ko na rin siya. And
Which one?
data
Yung for investors?
for investors Signal. So with Signal,
SIGNAL?
yes, with Signal, you can search for investors there. Grabe, ang ano nun. Okay na
Ooh.
okay yun. Like if you want to like parang different industries, makita mo doon. You just have to type like for example, education or engineering. Tas makikita mo like
Taray.
of investors. Can you imagine? Sobrang okay yun. Anyways, for data management naman, we have like Monday, Airtable, Asana. Kasi being a lead generation specialist, you have to be organized, diba? So, yan. VPN as well for LinkedIn.
Uy,
Yeah.
ang dami in fairness. Naloka ako, wait lang. VPN, ayan. Ano pa? Meron pa?
That's it. That's it.
Ayan, ang dami. Ang dami, Mi. Nakakaloka. Isa-isayin natin na yung mga dinagdag ni Carmi, no? We have CRMs like HubSpot, etc. System.io, ayan, CRMs. We have spreadsheets, no? Kasi very, very important yung mga spreadsheet na yan, no? Google Workspace, no? Is part of the... Yung spreadsheet
Yes.
is part of Google Workspace. Inisa-isa ko na, Mi, no? Next is email marketing tools such as um, Flowdesk, Mailchimp, Instantly, Yung mga yan, mga kilala ngayon. Isa is Apollo, no? Where you
Yes.
can actually get leads, no? Apollo. May plug-in ito,
Mm-hmm.
meron ding sa browser. So, may
Yes,
Google
correct.
Chrome plug-in and meron din talaga yung totoong yung sa browser na software. Next is Signal daw. Ayan, Signal. And then 8 is project management tools such as
Yes.
Monday.com, Airtable, Asana, kasama dyan ng ClickUp, Romel. Ayan. And then, of course, number 9 ay VPN. Yes, isa yan, VPN.
Yes.
So, ang daming tools. Sobrang daming tools. O, nalunod ka na sa tools, di ba? So, isa-isay natin yan. Isa-isayin yung i-learn yan. Okay? Comment learning if you're learning. Maraming salamat, Jen and Carmi, for giving all these, things na dapat nilang paghandaan at matutunan, no, bilang isang future lead generation specialist or appointment setter, no? Just a segue lang din, guys. What were you doing pala? Nakalimutan ko 'to tanungin, hindi ko alam bakit. What were you doing bago kayo naging isang lead gen specialist dito sa virtual workspace? Let's start with Carmi.
So before being a VA, I've worked in the corporate. I've been a banker for 9 years. Can you imagine?
Banker. Siya yung sa
Yeah.
deal or no deal, si Banker. Charing.
Yeah. So yun. Yeah. Before the pandemic, yan. So
Banker.
I started being a VA when pandemic hits.
Oh, mga pandemic babies talaga tayo, no? Perfect. How about
Totoo.
what were you doing before embracing this virtual workspace as a lead generation specialist?
Ako naman, dati, ako isang manager from a restaurant. Then nag-merge ako into business owner. Pero since nag-pandemic, nag-stop yung business na yun, food business na yun. And then, saka ako naging VA, nag-apply ako as cold callers, appointment setter, then
Ah,
nag-lead gen. Ganon.
so nagreva ka, cold caller,
Mhm.
real estate VA.
Mm.
Perfect,
Yes.
perfect. So, nandun ka na talaga sa sales side. Pero natutuwa ako kasi pareho kaming nasa restaurant industry background. O, di ba?
Oh
Pamana-pasok.
yeah.
Oo. Actually, nasa restaurant industry pa rin ako ngayon as a consultant for training and guest relations. Ayan. So,
Wow.
perfection. So, yung mga nasa call center, yung mga
Call
nasa
center.
BPO, guys, yung nasa BPO, alam ko madami sa inyo nagli-lead gen 2, no? Madami sa mga lead generation specialist too. So, kung
Totoo.
nasa BPO ka
Yeah.
at yan ang ginagawa mo, pwede mong gawin yan dito as a
Solid
virtual
foundation.
assistant.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. At
Sobrang
saka, I believe, hindi to naman talaga kailangan na professional ka as lead generation specialist. Basta alam mo kung ano yung mga tools at saka yung skills, caring-carry yan talaga.
it's one of the niche or specialization na kayang pag-aralan. And speaking of
Correct.
pag-aralan, meron tayong free course, lead generation course na ibibigay ko later, no? Pag tinapos niyo ito. Kaya tapusin niyo mga mi. Ibibigay ko yan. Okay?
Pwede
Let's
bang
move
ano,
forward.
send mo rin sa
Ano?
amin. Send mo rin sa amin.
Isasend ko sa inyo. Isend ko sa inyo privately. Ayan, okay. So, all right. So let's move forward. Para sa inyo, what makes an effective lead generation specialist? And let me start with Jen.
To be an effective lead gen, maybe for me, it's about results. Though wala naman kaming quota, as many as possible will do. Pero once na verified siya, and since you are collecting viable customers that would be likely be interested in the product, doon na pumapasok yung sales and engagement. So, doon pumapasok yung pagiging effective mo as lead gen. Kasi may return customer ka where they are satisfied with the product that you are offering, and also yung reviews and feedbacks. Napaka-importante yon. So, one factor then is yung continuous learning. Kasi
Mm.
hindi naman totally nga dapat professional ka with this
Yes.
niche. And also, to be a good generation specialist, siguro, yung important factor is to know your job talaga and your product. And you understand the customer's needs.
Know your job, know your product, understand the customer's needs, never
Mm-hmm.
stop learning. Kaya kanina humingi pa nga sila ng free course eh. Kasi nga, non-stop learning to me. At saka me, may mga bagong tools na lumalabas from time to time. May mga bagong platforms na lumalabas from time to time. So talagang non-stop learning and immersing talaga ito. It's both learning and immersing. Hindi pwedeng learning lang. Kailangan may immersing too para magkaroon ka ng exposure and experience. Thank you so much. How about you, Carmi?
To add lang, no, I think we've already mentioned it kanina, like understanding first the business, 'di ba, or the industry of your client. Kasi from there, 'di ba, pag nag-reach out ka sa potential leads, they have questions. So before mo i-close yung deal na yan, they have questions and you have to answer it. Like, you have to know talaga, be an expert dun sa business or the industry. Ano, another one would be yung campaign goal. It has to be very solid. Like, okay, ano bang gagawin mo? So first, this is the goal. You have to understand it. Next is prepare everything, like yung outreach message mo, the follow-up message. You have to also collaborate with the sales team or your client kasi you have to ask for approval.
Yeah.
You as an expert have ideas. Okay, this is my idea. This how we're gonna do the outreach or the campaign. But you have to ask for their ideas as well. Maybe they have better ideas, and then combine it, and then you start the outreach. Also, um, ano pa? Yun, you have to be proficient with the tools.
Correct.
So grab mo yung opportunity if you have VA friends, if you have like this kind of campaign, like, di ba, we're here to para you have or you have the idea of what a lead generation specialist is doing. So grab mo lahat ng information na yan, especially dun sa mga VA friends mo talaga, they'll be your, kasi, di ba, parang makaka-encounter ka ng mas expert pa sa'yo and you have to grab that
Yeah.
opportunity na, uy, ano ba yung ginagamit mo for automation? Kasi it will make your work life easier talaga. So, those are the things for me, na, and also like, another one, pag lead gen ka, you have to be persistent, but with respect pa din. Like, okay,
Yes.
you're gonna send an outreach message, diba? But after that, hindi ka pinansin. Like, okay, dead mama ko,
You have to
ganyan.
follow up.
Yes, you have to follow up. And yung mga first follow-ups, dun lang sila magre-reply. Kasi ma-feel nila, okay, persistent to, na okay, gusto niya talaga yung attention ko. So, dun lang sila nagre-reply. So, it's really important that you're organized with what you're doing as a lead gen din. So, yeah, persistency.
Correct. Persistency, correct. So, ang combination ng sinabi ni Carmi ay number one, sabi lang, get to know who your target market is, get to know your product very well, so you know how to approach your leads properly, and be persistent by doing follow-ups. Ayan. And at the same time, learn the tools through your community, get to know VAs na lead gen also na marunong gumamit ng specific na tool na yan, maturuan ka para alam mo yon, mas maging madali ang life mo as a lead
Correct.
generation specialist.
Shout
Mas
out to my
effective.
VA friends. Hello, guys. Thank you so
Ayan,
much.
sa mga VA friends, go glow grow. And of course, that's the beauty of becoming part of Coconut too. Because in Coconut, meron kaming sariling sa Slack channel namin na CVA Hub, wherein we get to ask questions and the people who knows about the question would instantly answer, kaya pangmalakasan. And yeah, if you think you are already a qualified lead generation specialist and you want to be part of the coconut community, go ahead and click the link in the description box to actually apply now and join Coconut. But speaking of Coconut, no, ladies, what is the best part, no, or the perks na bet nyo, top one lang, na dahil part ka ng Coconut? And let's start with Carmi.
I have a lot talaga. Ang arte ko. For the past 3 years, I've been here in Coconut and I have a lot to say talaga. So, hindi lang talaga one yun, Jam. I'm so sorry. Pero like
Go.
the ultimate one for me is yung parang mafe-feel mo talaga yung care nandun. As a VA kasi 'di ba, parang um freelancer tayo eh. So parang hindi talaga siya may connotation na it's not stable, 'di ba? But with Coconut talaga,
Yes.
I really felt na yung security for me ha. Yun.
Security.
Napapakita talaga nila yun sa akin for 3 years. So I'm so grateful and thankful. Happy Thanksgiving, Coconut VA. Ayun.
Bakla, sabi,
You're
ugat
welcome.
ka ng coconut, no? Ugat pa ng coconut. Ako 1 year pa lang, siya 3 years. And si coconut, kaka 3 years lang din. So, ugat siya ng
Oh,
coconut tea.
Mga OGs.
yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Ako 1 year, so far, so amazing. Arte, hindi siya so
One
far, so
year ka
good,
pa
so
lang
far,
ba,
so
Jam?
amazing.
1 year ka pa
Like it
lang?
for you.
Feeling,
Oo, dahil 1 year pa lang ako, te. 1 year pa
feeling
lang
ko,
ako.
sorry, feeling ko ang tanda mo na. Feeling ko ang tagal mo na.
Wow, salamat ha. At excited kami kasi, hello, may parating ng 30th month pay very soon.
Oh,
Hala!
yes. Oh my
Hala!
gosh.
Ano ka dyan?
Can't wait.
Diba? Pangmalakasan. Correct. Ako din talaga yung security. Ayan. Okay. Thank you, thank you. How about you, Jen?
Ako din sobrang ang dami. As in,
Hala,
kasi I've
isa
been
lang
to
talaga.
another, oo, di ba? Hindi pwedeng isa lang. Kasi I've been
Correct.
to other agency din, pero hindi ko siya
Ah,
na-feel from other compared dito sa CVA. So, I like the community, the family. Family talaga yung treatment, hindi lang talaga siya yung parang client ka lang, employee ka lang, ganun, hindi. As in family, plus yung benefits pa, talagang hindi pwedeng isa lang. Iba-brag mo talaga yung pag-work mo as
In
CVA talaga.
fairness,
Correct.
and hindi pa nga kami happy sa current benefits namin kasi i-improve pa nila along
O,
the
di ba?
way. As in, o di ba? Pangmalakasan. So,
Giving, no?
totoo. Totoo. At saka yung, siguro number one talaga dito, sense of community and belongingness talaga nandito. I swear, like with all the activities we've been doing, especially the getaway. The first
Mhm.
getaway was held last April 2024. It was in Boracay.
yeah.
And we're doing that again 2 years from now. And we're very excited. And sana on that day, kasama na namin kayo sa getaway, di ba? Pang malakasan.
Additional pala, can I brag about CVA? Kasi
Go,
Sure.
since
please.
kasi first 'di ba, first CVA ano 'to na job ko. Pero this is the first time I fly to Italy because of CVA.
Hala, iba.
Oh my
Iba
'Di ba?
talaga pag
God.
Italy,
Oh
iba
my
nga.
God. Ang bongga.
'Di ba, super.
Ang
Kaya ang
bongga.
Di
saya-saya.
ba? Iba talaga si, ako
Iba ang mga
talaga,
founders.
goal ko
Ikaw
yan
naman
next
yun.
year.
Hello. Grabe, ang bongga nun
Diba?
ah.
Mhm.
Goal ko yan next year, me. Goal ko yan next year. Anyway, ayan, maraming salamat for those wonderful answers.
Wala na ba?
Pero
Wala
guys,
na
that's
ba
true.
questions, Jam? Keep it
At
coming.
dahil dyan, oo nga, dahil dyan, mag-Q&A na tayo mga mi. Let's Q&A ourselves. Baka may mga questions kayo about, becoming a lead generation specialist or becoming part of Coconut, Go Glow Grow. ayan, i-ask nyo na sa comment section. Sabi, what if nasa France ako, pwede bang pumasok sa Coconut? Philippine-based po tayo. Philippine-based, doesn't matter what your nationality is. As of now ha, because based
As of
on our
now.
experience sa Siargao, may mga other nationalities already like Americans, Europeans na based in the Philippines who are applying and becoming part of Coconut na. So ayan, na-source din yan ni Carmi, no? Na-follow up na ni
Na-source
Carmi yan
natin
isa.
yan. Na-source namin yan.
Yes. Correct. So, very exciting. So, hindi lang all Filipinos, but there are other nationalities who are based in the Philippines too. Ayan. How about the rest? While waiting, andito na po yung mga links, important links, plus as promised, I will also give the link of the free VA course. Ayan. The free lead generation course pala. I meant, I'm very sorry. So let me go ahead and um, copy the link. So it's a 1 month challenge. Okay. It's a 1 month challenge starting on December 2. That's a Monday. Ayan, ilalagay ko na rin siya dito, mga mi. At sa group chat nating tatlo as promised. Ayan. I-save yun na yung mga link, mga mi. Go, glow, grow.
Thank you so
So,
much.
ayan,
Pam.
sabi dito, of course, sabi dito there siya, Coach, you accept no experience of VA. We're accepting coconuts who are at least a year of VA already, or BPO, or any US-based or international-based companies or remote worker for a year. But if you are not yet pasok doon sa category, don't you worry about it because guys, you may start as an entry level VA and apply sa mga entry level clients, okay? And then after a year, apply ka dito. We'll wait for you bukas pa ang pinto ni Coconut for you. Okay?
Um,
Next,
Mom, sorry. So I read like
yes.
one comment here is what's the VPN DAO that I
I'm
use
sorry, I didn't see that.
sa
I'll
LinkedIn.
go.
So for me, right now I'm using ExpressVPN, but it's paid.
Yes.
So you have to ask the
Hindi siya
client to, pay it for you. Pero meron din
correct.
namang free lang. Pero it's better if it's paid eh. So yeah.
Ayan, so ExpressVPN, yun din gamit ko.
Okay.
ExpressVPN. I think I already answered this, Romel. 1 year of VA or Legion experience po tayo here. Sabi ni Tintin, ito, sa email ko, if there are notif for new job openings and si Miss Carmi pala yun, may mukha siya, ganda yun po, dalawa ni Miss Jen. Ay,
That's so
popular ko.
thank you, Tintin.
Kung meron po kayong nakikitang Carmi na nangungulit sa mga job posting, siya po yun.
Yes, ako po yun. Ako yung nagpo-post. Hello, guys.
Hindi siya AI, totoong tao. Ayan. Sabi dito, Filipino naman ako, ba't nasa France ako? Again, Filipino based in the Philippines or any nationality based in the Philippines. Oo. Yun po yung ating
Okay. Sorry, may message. Sorry, may comment ulit. So what she meant was, ano yung purpose ng VPN pala for LinkedIn? So since I
okay.
really love LinkedIn, so since, for example, ako, based on my experience, I have previously I have US clients, and with LinkedIn kailangan same ng location. If not, so since I'm a VA from the Philippines, kailangan same location kami ng client ko. So I need to, so before I open his or her LinkedIn account, I have to open my VPN first para ma-detect. Very kasi ngayon si LinkedIn very sensitive. So parang iwas na masuspend yung LinkedIn account ng
Correct.
client. You have to use the VPN.
Mas sensitive pa sa ex mo ang VPN. Ay, si LinkedIn pala. Ano po pong mga question? Comment below. Ayan, comment below. Baka ma-restrict yan. Alam mo, arte in these days, talaga, like for example, same persona or same person, two different accounts. Hindi talaga niya i-grant yung isang account. Ang arte-arte. Oo, akala mo naman, charit! Charit! Joke lang, LinkedIn. Love you, LinkedIn. We need you. Ayan.
Correct.
We love
Totoo
you.
yan. Welcome, Anna. Welcome. Yes, totoo,
Yes.
Romel.
Correct. Totoo. Totoo. Ayan. So, I think that's everything. Jan, Carmi, thank you so much for doing this. I know dapat wala kayong pasok today pero nilaban nyo ang live stream na ito. Maraming salamat. Everyone say thank you naman kay Jen and Carmi sa comment section. And hope you guys learned a lot in this episode, mga mi. And if you have more questions, guys, you may follow us here and message us here, no? And we will answer you kung kaya namin. Kasi ang daming messages. Sobrang dami. Oo, nakakaloka. No? Sana na-save yung mga links. Maraming salamat. Happy Thanksgiving. And happy Black Friday
Black
sale.
Friday.
Nag-hello na po ang Amazon, ang mga kung ano-ano pang e-commerce apps dyan.
Mark
Okay?
us safe.
Yes, happy payday, pero check out wisely. Ayan, at your
Yes.
own risk. Add to cart at your own risk. Ayan. And that's a reminder for myself too. Maraming salamat. Okay. And we'll see you guys again on the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.